What's up, viewers and subscribers? Hope all is well. Welcome to another property showcase from PropertyCozy.com. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. We're gonna take a trip to St. Catherine, Jamaica. To be more precise, let's visit McCooks Pen in St. Catherine. Here you will find a newly built 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom house on land area of 8,084 square feet. If you should purchase this lovely house, you will be the first owner to occupy it. This house comes with ceiling fans, light fixtures, granite countertops, porcelain tiling throughout, kitchen built-ins, easy access to basic amenities, and this house is also located in a small development area with only 30 lots. The asking price for this house is Jamaican $25 million or US $160,000. Now let's take a look at this lovely home and please leave a comment and let us know your thoughts. For watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Also, for more details on the property, please visit the description area below. Until next time, this is your boy Nick. One love.